Hi, Standard 3. For your art lesson today, you need to be able to draw a house on a hill where it looks like you are looking up and there is a house on top of a hill. Okay, you're going to use a lots of elements that you have learned and also the perspective technique. What is a perspective technique? You need to start with one point when you are drawing something. Okay, that is what we call as a perspective technique. Alright, so it's better, I think, if you use your paper, if your paper is in a portrait form, because you will be able to draw more things going upwards if you do in a portrait form. Okay, let's start with the perspective technique first. Choose where do you want to draw a house, because you want it to be in, if let's say you want it to be in the middle of the hill, then you can point here. Okay, I'm going to draw the house here, so I will draw the house here, the small house here. Let's say you have a small house, because it is on top of the hill, it has to be smaller or vivid. Okay, it doesn't look very clear, but you still can see, or you still able to know that there is a house on top of the hill. Okay, so here goes your house. Okay, maybe you have a chimney, right? Or you want to add something more over here, also can. Alright, next one, you need to draw the hills. Okay, you can add more details here, maybe the door or some windows. Okay, and then doors maybe. Okay, now next thing you need to draw is the road or leading to the house on top of the hill. So when you are drawing the road, you have to make sure that the road is small, and as it goes towards you, it gets bigger and bigger. Okay, example, draw it towards you and it gets bigger and bigger. Okay, now you need to draw something at here, over here, over this side, to make it look like at both sides of the house there are some trees planted. Okay, so example number 1, maybe you can put a tree here. Some more. Make sure the tree is bigger than the rest of other trees. Okay. Next tree, it should be slightly smaller than the first one. And the next tree also should be a lot smaller. Okay, right, and then you also can draw trees at this side, the same tree. in the next tree. Oh. Okay, should be smaller. And the last tree. Okay. Alright, so there's your tree is here. Now what you need to do is that you need to draw some trees over here also, or you can draw mountains or hills or a high place, okay, something like this. And then you can draw some more trees here, but the trees has to be smaller than the rest of the trees because they are very far. Vivid colors. Over here also. Okay. Alright. Now, because you want to make it look like you are going up, then you can draw some stairs. Okay. Stairs going up. Alright, so now you are going up towards the house. What else can you put here? You can put some more trees here if you want to. You can put bushes. You can put animals. Alright, some of you can draw animals very well. You can put animals over here. Okay, so once you're done, don't forget to turn in. And you can use watercolor also if you want to, or if you have watercolor. If you have questions, you can ask me through the private chat or our chatting art channel. Okay, all the best.